In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to close a Stripe account following this 2025 guide. Whether you're looking to streamline your financial accounts or simply need to close an inactive Stripe account, we'll walk you through the process step by step. Closing a Stripe account is straightforward, but it's essential to ensure you're following the correct steps to avoid any future complications. Firstly, navigate your way to the Stripe dashboard. If you're not already logged in, go ahead and do that by entering your credentials at stripe.com. Once you're in, you should land on the homepage. This is where you can view an overview of your transactions, payouts, and other important insights related to your business finances. The homepage is essentially your control center, and from here you can move to various sections of the Stripe dashboard. Next, find your way to the settings section. You'll usually find this in the menu on the left-hand side of your dashboard. Settings are where you can manage account-specific details such as bank information, email notifications, and more. It's crucial to ensure you choose the correct account settings if you're managing multiple accounts under a single login. Once you've clicked Settings, you'll need to proceed to the Business page. This section is tailored to hold information specific to the business entity that owns the Stripe account. Here you can find details like the business name, contact information, and address. Reviewing this information can be helpful to ensure everything is in order before proceeding with the account closure. With the business page open, now locate the option that says Close Account. This could be found towards the bottom of the page in a section related to account management. Clicking on this will initiate the process of closing your account. Stripe might present a series of prompts or questions, such as asking the reason for closing the account or confirming certain business details. Make sure to follow these prompts carefully, providing any necessary information the system requests. It's worth noting that once you close your Stripe account, you won't be able to undo this action. You will lose all the data associated with the account, so ensure you've downloaded any needed reports or transaction histories before closure. If there's any balance in your Stripe account, ensure it's been transferred to your bank account prior to proceeding with closure. Finally, confirm the closure when prompted. After this step, your Stripe account will officially be closed. Remember, if you encounter any issues or have questions during the process, Stripe support is available to assist with any challenges you might face. And there you have it. By following these detailed steps, you should be able to close your Stripe account smoothly and efficiently. Thank you for watching, and feel free to check out other tutorials for more guides like this one.